These replacement buttons and D-pad do the job well. They look good and they have a velvet-like touch to them that will not distract during gameplay. My only complaint is that the divot that raises the D-pad above the board is short, which means that D-pad inputs are more prone to unwanted presses, even after using the remedy to cover part of the contact points with tape. I will need to somehow extend the divot height to ensure that only the direction I press is the input that is received. If you feel this'll a problem, if you're a Tetris player, I recommend using only the buttons, unless you're prepared to do some extra work to correct the D-pad's divot.